today I'm going to be purchasing one of these things in Gorilla Tag. And also, guys, this is another video with Spot, the random character. Oh, what's that right there? That looks cool. Alright, let's see this. Can y'all find the secret character? I'm doing it. I bought it. Where the hell is it? Yes! Boys, we got it. Lucas, I thought I bought the wrong thing. That would have been bad. Y'all, but guys. Ooh, that was just a flash right there of something, maybe. It was just a flash of something. Yeah, but they still gotta find you. But guys, I still have 2,800. And yeah. Oh yes, I bought the firework. It looks so cool. I'm coming. I'm gonna go to the basement to see if I can shoot them. Guys, tell me in the comments if y'all think that's a dub. Yeet! Oh wait. Lucas, look out! Oh, dang. That was a big flash right there. Okay, guys. If y'all watched to this far, you found Lucas already. So, Lucas, you can go ahead and come out. For the people that saw it, are also lucky because it was kind of at the beginning. No, he's covering the entrance. I'm shooting it. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah, no, I'm gonna shoot you. Bow, bow. Lucas, it goes out. You better be scared, boy. Lucas, but look, wait, it actually bounces off, I think. Lucas, but look how small they are. I need to escape the whole outpost. I'm gonna shoot them. No! How'd they shoot me? What hit me? I threw my controller. That's fine, no? Yes, I can jump out. It's to push you out. Wait, but then you can still go in. Oh, never mind. Let's go. No, Lucas, I actually just got stuck for a sec. Wait, Lucas, I want to see. Look, I'm big, Lucas. What? How did they just shoot you from up? Did you still fall under the ground? Well, why'd the beacon just shoot up? Did you see that? Did you actually just get... Oh, no. No, that's what you mean by again? No, that's... Yes. Wait, how did I get caught? This game's glitched. Alright, Lucas. Let's just go do a light miracle shot. Oh, never mind. I forgot. You're stuck. Nah, not yet. We're just gonna do a light show real quick. That's beautiful. Well, guys, if you enjoyed, make sure you like, and subscribe. I'm Coral, and I am out.